Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create SEO-friendly meta description and meta title. So usually if we search on Google, for example, I am searching with blog post formatting expert. After searching, you see Google showing lots of result, lots of website, but below all of the website, they are showing two special things. Number one, this title, this is the meta title, and this description. So this is the meta description. Okay. So if you look, you will see this meta title is showing the full sentence. This one also showing the full sentence. But this fifth number meta title is not showing the full sentence. After certain part, it's giving dot dot dot. That means there has something more extra word, but it's not displaying. Now, if you come to the meta description section, you will see this meta description is not displaying the full, but this one is displaying the complete meta description. This one showing the complete meta description, but this one is not showing the full meta description. So this meta title and meta description is very important to attract your readers or traffic. When you are writing something here, after searching Google, readers firstly read this meta title and meta description. So after reading this, if he or she think this website have the solution, whatever he is searching, then he will click on your website. So it's very important which message you are giving in meta description and showing the full message after searching. So how you can understand what would be your meta description size and what would be the meta title size? Lots of bloggers say about something character, like meta title should be 50 to 60 character, meta description should be 150 to 160 character, but that's not 100% correct. Sometimes that might be correct, but that's not the actual measurement. You see, Google has the fixed position for meta title and meta description. So whatever we write, we have to write within that size. That means that's the pixel. So we can't write anything very small size. That's also not SEO friendly. We cannot write anything bigger size. That also be outsider of the box. So we have to write a standard size. For meta title, the standard size is 250 pixel to 580 pixel. And for meta description, this size limit is 400 pixel to 920 pixel. Now I will show an example. Usually I use this website for measuring my meta description and meta title. For example, if I write here page title, this is the test title. You see, they are saying your page title is too short. It's only 171 pixels. So I have to write something more. Let's see how it. You see, now they are giving a green signal that your page title size is perfect, acceptable length. And let's see how much I can increase it. You see, now it's saying page title should be around 580 pixel length. So before publishing your blog, if you check your page title with the pixel limit, you can use this website or any other website where you can measure your pixel. That's all. If you come to the meta description, that also same. For example, I am getting ChatGPT support. I am telling him write a meta description about blog post formatting expert within, as meta description standard size is 400 pixel to 920 pixel. So for the safe side, I am telling to the chat GPT 500 pixel. Let's see what they give. It's very big, I think. Okay, give me smaller size. Perfect. So let's see, is it perfect or not? So I'm copying this meta description and pasting it website. Here I want to measure the pixel. Paste, and you see meta description is 824 pixels. So it's acceptable length. And I am giving an explanation why it should be pixel, why it shouldn't be the word. For example, I am writing here ww5w. Okay, so 5w taking 61 pixel. As you already know, Google has limited place for this meta description or meta title. So when I am writing something with ww or m, that 5 word taking 61 pixel. But if I write I 1 2 3 4 5, 5i taking only 14 pixel and 5w taking 61 pixel. So it's nothing about the word, it should be the pixel. And if you can use perfectly within that Google pixel limitations, then your meta description and meta title will show completely. Whatever you write, that will visible to the readers, that search user can see full of the meta title and meta description. After that, you will not miss your traffic or they will not miss your message. So that was my today's tutorial, and I will give this website name on my video description. Even you can use any other website. So before publishing your blog, must check your meta title length in pixel, meta description length in pixel. Again, I am saying finally, meta title pixel limit is 250 to 580 pixels. Don't write lower than 250 pixel and never exit the 580 pixel. And for meta description, it should be 400 pixel to 920 pixel. So don't write any meta description below 400 pixel or never exit 920 pixel. So it's done for today. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.